Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers appreciate you, new viewers subscribe so that you can get some awesome recipes like this. Tonight we're continuing the Mr. B Drinks path, and we're going to do a remix of a Moscow Mule. Instead of a Moscow Mule, we're going to be making a salted caramel apple mule. How do we do that? We've got some salted caramel vodka. This is replacing the regular vodka. In place of the lime juice, I'm using apple cider. I've got some dulce de leche, which if you don't know how to make that, there's a video for that. And this is just for taste. In this case, since I'm doing it in a copper mug, just like we did the Moscow Mules. But if you're doing a clear glass, this is also for decoration. We're just adding a little bit of sweet. So all I'm doing is just drizzling some down the side. It doesn't have to be pretty in this case because, again, you're not going to see it. This is more for taste. So just a spoonful of that. If you don't have this and you don't want to make it, you can use caramel sauce. 2 ounces of apple cider vinegar, or apple cider. 2 ounces of our salted caramel vodka. And just like we did with the mules, take some ice. And we're just going to fill up the glass. And then we will top this off with some ginger beer. This is just regular ginger beer. 7's a big Kroger brand, but whatever you can get your hands on. 4 ounces is the recipe. I like to top them off. It takes a little bite out of the vodka. And then for our dressing, I'm using a nice garnish of some fresh mint leaves. You could use a lime if you wanted. But since we're doing salted caramel apple, I have a green and a red apple with a caramel right in between there. And just set it on the edge. That's all there is to it. It's really easy. And this one, my wife will say, is more delicious than the regular mule. So give this a try and try the mule. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Ring the bell so you get the notifications. And as always, check back for the next video. Take care.